Inflation, it's a term we often hear in financial news. But what does it mean for our everyday lives? Today we're going to explore how inflation affects your purchasing power. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. As inflation increases, every dollar you own buys a smaller percentage of a good or service. The value of a dollar does not stay constant when there is inflation. The value of a dollar is observed in terms of purchasing power, which is the real, tangible goods that money can buy. When inflation rises, your purchasing power falls. For example, if the inflation rate is 2% annually, then theoretically a $1 pack of gum will cost $1.02 in a year. That's why it's important to consider inflation in your budgeting and financial planning. Understanding inflation is key to maintaining your purchasing power and planning for the future. Remember, a dollar today will not have the same purchasing power in the future. Plan accordingly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.